When you use AI, artificial intelligence, for research or scholarly activity, you have a couple of choices on the tools that you're going to use, or more specifically, the types of tools that you're going to use. There are many tools out there. You could use a general purpose AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, all of those, and write your own custom prompts. Or you can use a purpose-built tool like some of the ones that I've reviewed here on the channel. Now, both of them have their advantages and disadvantages, but it would be really cool if there was some way that you could use a purpose-built tool but still have control over the customization of the prompts that you're using. And that's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hello there, my name is Frank, and this is my little gray cat, Peanut. And here on Learning and Technology with Frank and Peanut, we look at ways that we can use technology to learn and teach and be more productive. Peanut's going to go off and be more productive, and we're going to take a look at a feature of AnswerThis that allows us to create custom tools. In order to access AnswerThis, we use a web browser, so I thought I would use my iPad for this demo. Creating a new query in AnswerThis will allow me to do a lot of different research. I can scroll down and see different tools that I'm able to use. There's all sorts of popular tools, tools for researchers, but there is something really neat that I can do with tools. When I go into tools, what I can do is not only see the tools that are built in the popular tools, but I can look for tools with specific focus. For example, a tool for writing or a tool for productivity. And there's even a section for my own tools, which means that I can see the tools that have been created here within AnswerThis, but I can go into the section on my own tools and create my own AI tool. I can give that tool a name, and I can be guided through the process of creating the prompts that will generate the best results. So let's say, for example, I wanted to create a tool on generating course outlines for research courses. Now, I'm not going to fill in the prompts completely here. I'm just going to walk through the process, but you can see I can provide a detailed description of that tool, and this will come in very useful if I want to share this tool with someone else, because once I've put in the name of my tool, so I'll create my course outline tool here. Then I'll be able to go in, add the information on what this tool is all about, and I'll be able to choose whether or not I'd like to make this tool a private tool or whether I'd like to share this tool with others as a public tool. So you can see I have the description, I can put the information in there, and then as I go down, I'll go to the continue here, and I'll be able to walk through the process of building up all of the different aspects of this tool. So I can go in and I can say, for example, what the category of this tool is. There's a number of different built-in categories. I can create a custom one if I'd like. So I'll choose the summarization, and that will generate a system prompt that I can then go in and edit, so I can make changes to this as well. And I can have something tailored specifically for what it is that I'm trying to do. And then I can choose the capabilities of the tool. For example, where will it do the searching? Will I choose other databases? Will I allow it to search the internet or just specific internet resources like government or educational websites? And whether I'll allow users to upload their own PDFs as part of using this prompt that I'm creating. Then I can go in, review and create it, and I can share this tool with others. This is very useful to share within my organization or with others. I can even create a custom landing page. So this is very useful if I start developing a lot of different tools and I want people to be able to quickly see what the tools are all about. Very good in an environment where we have multiple people using AnswerThis to create resources that we can all share and use. Of course, I can edit this landing page and make it more appropriate for the tool. In this demonstration here, I'm just showing you the steps, but I put more thought into each of those steps, but I can have a nice landing page that supports this tool. The ability to have both customization as well as guidance when I'm creating any type of research prompts is something I'm exploring a lot more of within AnswerThis, because it really is a robust environment for me to do research, different types of analysis, different types of understanding of information, and putting it together in things like literature reviews, gap analysis, and of course now my customized tools. So if you're interested in AnswerThis, check out some of my other videos on AnswerThis, and I'll put a link down below where you can even get a bit of a discount if you'd like to try it out for yourself and upgrade to the Pro version. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. I'm off to find Peanut because he probably wants some cat treats.